Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use GoodRx to find savings on prescription medicine. So first, open the GoodRx app or website, then search for the medication you were prescribed and enter the appropriate doses and quantity. GoodRx will show available prices and discounts at participating pharmacies in your area. Then compare the listed price and choose a pharmacy that works for you. And if you have a GoodRx coupon, follow the instruction to access or use it at the pharmacy. Before paying, confirm with the pharmacy that the GoodRx price applies to your prescription. And keep in mind that GoodRx prices can vary by pharmacy, location, medication, and prescription details. Also, GoodRx coupons generally aren't combined with your insurance for the same prescription purchase, so compare the available option before deciding which price to use. So that was how to use GoodRx to look for prescription savings. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.